Alright, so it's a new year. The year started out interesting, but I'm back, and I decided I wanted to try some new camera angles and things and such like that. I actually have two cameras. I wanted one camera pointing directly at me and one camera pointing at the food, but it didn't work out that way because one of my tripods is broken beyond repair, so I'm gonna have to try to get another one for that. But anyway, black beans. So I've been trying to incorporate more fruits and vegetables into my diet, and I figured making a complete vegan meal would be one of the things to do it. So there we are. This is a vegan meal. But with these black beans, I actually made these black beans in a pressure cooker. You don't have to do that. You can buy canned black beans, or you can just boil them for 6 hours or however long it takes to make black beans. One of the things about this is that I've never made this recipe before, and I have not looked up any other recipes. I did that on purpose to kind of test myself to see if I can actually do it without researching. But I will say the end result you would not be disappointed with, because I was not disappointed with it. So first off, you don't have to have a food processor like I have. You can actually chop this up yourself. You just have to make sure you get manageable pieces. You don't want a huge piece of onion stuck in your patty, and the cooking process don't kind of break it down, so you're sitting there crunching onion. Anyway, for these black beans, I didn't want to send it through a food processor too. I wanted to have some texture to it, so I'm just gonna use a potato masher for that. Okay, so I use a stick blender here to blend up this mushroom gravy. If you don't have a stick blender, you can use a regular blender. If you don't have a regular blender, you can use a food processor. It was kind of like a cross between cream of mushroom without the cream or mushroom porridge. I really don't know how to explain it. And mushroom has a taste all of its own, so I can't really explain the taste. But it was actually pretty good. It was smoother than what it looks, and it was really delicious on top of that patty. You'll see here at the end of the video.
Did he tell you why? Has anybody told you why? Have you any idea why? Did he tell you why? Has anybody told you why? Have you any idea why? Did he tell you why? Has anybody told you why? Have you any idea why?
So I did two different things with these patties. One thing I did was a burger, and another one was a kind of like a country fried steak deal. They both came out pretty good. My goal was to make sure that I had a universal flavor that will work for both. That will work for both dishes, no matter the flavor of the patty. I also paired this with mashed carrots, which was a little weird, but it actually came out really great. Unfortunately, it was not vegan like I wanted. I put some butter and milk in. And some steamed broccoli with the South African smoke that I got from Trader Joe's. That spice is also really, really good.